guys, this is my rice. It's not up to 1 cup. I've never tried rice water on my hair before. It's actually my first time of pouring rice water on my hair, and I'll be going for the fermented method. If you watch further, I gave you guys 3 different methods you can use in preparing your rice water for your hair, and the benefit of rice water for your hair as well. So I'm going to rinse my rice first, take out the dirt and impurities from the rice. I hope you guys understand me. Alright, so I'm going to transfer my clean rice to the other bowl. I'll be soaking it in the other bowl. I didn't know I didn't just use this one. So I'm going to transfer all my rice to the other bowl, and then I'm going to put water inside of it, water that I feel it'll be enough for my rice. Then I'm going to let it stay for 2 days. Rice water is a starchy water left after rice is cooked or left to soak. It makes your hair smooth and shiny. It also stimulates hair growth. Rice water contains amino acid, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. Benefits of rice water: detangles the hair, makes hair smoother, increase hair shine, makes hair stronger, stimulates hair growth. How to make rice water? There are several ways to make rice water, which includes soaking. Take 1 cup of uncooked rice, rinse thoroughly, place rice in a bowl with 3 cups of water. Leave to soak for 30 minutes. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl. Transfer rice to your spray bottle. Fermented rice water. This method is said to be more effective than every other method. Get 1 cup of uncooked rice, rinse thoroughly. Leave to stand at room temperature for 2 days. Allow it to ferment. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl. Transfer to spray bottle for use. Boiling. Boil 1 cup of rice with about 3 cups of water. Cook the rice in boiling water. Strain the rice into a clean bowl before you use. The rice water after 2 days, you can see it's quite different from the initial stage. So this is the fermented method. I'll be putting my rice water inside of this, and I'm going to put the remaining of it in my spray bottle. So when I'm done using the one on my spray bottle, I'm going to turn from this this my can here, should I call it can, to my spray bottle, just like that. Hope you guys find this video informative, and don't forget to give it a try. I'm going for a 1-month trial. Let me see how effective it really is. I've never tried it on my hair before, so you guys shouldn't forget to try it out, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye guys.